Hey everybody, this is Jason from Java PC. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on a solo sleeving cable mods. This is an extension set that we received from Solo Sleeving. I really like these guys' work. It is really well done, which is why there's such demand, and he is not even taking any new orders right now because of how much demand he has. So hopefully we'll be able to get some more orders from them in the future, but just want to show you guys this set really quick. So for the particular build that we're doing, all we have is the 3 cables, one for the power supply to the CPU, one for the 24 pin, and one for the GPU. So these are the cables here. As you can see, they're very, very well done, very, very pretty cables. If you guys get a chance to order some, be sure you guys are keeping track of whether or not the clip is going to be on the inside of the curve or on the outside of the curve. That matters for the cables because on the radius, on the outside radius, these cables are slightly longer than the inside ones. So when you guys are ordering cables, you'll need to specify if the clip is on the inside of the curve, which would be this one here, or if it's on the outside of the curve, which you want this one here. So this 24 pin in particular is an inside the curve 24 pin. On the GPU cable, this is 2 8 pins, and they're on the outside of the curve. So you can see here that the clip's on the outside circle. And on the CPU, this has an 8 pin and a 4 pin, but it's going to be on the inside of the curve for this one as well. So there's the cables. Like I said, Solo Sleeving does a really good job, and we want to keep ordering from them. So if you guys get a chance, Solo Sleeving, please send us some more cables to do a review on. And if you guys liked our video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.